Welcome to another Exchange 2016 video. My name is Ed, and in this video we're going to take a look at creating a transport rule and setting a message, for example, a user that's left the organization, and you can put them in touch with somebody else. It might be in case of finance, might be in IT, etc. It doesn't matter, right? So if you log into the admin center, you click on mail flow and rules. From here, we're going to create a new rule, right? If you click on that, we can give this a name, and then you can say the recipient is. So apply this rule if the recipient is, for example, user 1. Double click, or you can click the add button. Then you see it says user 1, and now you can say reject message with an explanation if you wanted to. User has left the organization. Please contact support on blah 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 blah. Okay. And then obviously you can reject the message with an explanation as here, or you can what you can do is delete the message without notifying, but the whole point of this is that you want to let them know that because they're mailing user 1 doesn't exist anymore. The mail's not going to go to the mailbox because either the mailbox has been archived or deleted, etc. And if you see here by default, audit this rule with the severity, you can specify anything here, or you can leave it at default, and then you can enforce this rule. And if you click on more options, then obviously you can add another action if you wanted to, but to keep it simple. And then you can also activate this rule. So let's say you want to activate it on the Friday at this time, and you want to deactivate it at the end of the month, for example. And then you can pretty much save this. So there you can say is, there's my transport rule. I can actually view it here. And that is how simple it is to create transport rules. Thank you very much for watching.